Hello and welcome. This is Lisa Howard coming to you again with another video about entrepreneurship and utilizing the internet to earn money. So today I want to talk about the importance of having an autoresponder. And if you don't know what an autoresponder is, that is an email system that helps you to follow up with your customers or potential customers, because most people will not buy the first time they see your offer. So you have to be able to send them reminders so that they can be reminded to purchase or to do whatever it is you're trying to get them to do. If you're a YouTuber, if you're trying to get them to look at your videos, you can send them reminders. Or if you're trying to sell a service or a product, you need an autoresponder so that you can follow up with your customers. And a perfect example of people not purchasing on the first time is recently I was told about this app. From my son told me about this app. So the app is a app that offers you cash back every time you buy gas. So he was excited about the app and he had told me about it. So maybe, I don't know, a month had passed and I saw the value in it when he was telling me about it, but I just didn't download it when he first told me. He had to remind me. So when I finally did download the app, you know, I love it. I wish I would have downloaded earlier. So an autoresponder is works in that same way. Like my son, he's my son, so I'm not on his autoresponder, but he did remind me. I told you to download this app. It's really a good one. Download it because you'll like it. I downloaded it. I did like it. I was excited about it. So I decided I'm going to tell my daughter. Her name is Dee Dee. So I sent a message to Dee. I think I had already spoken to her about it, but I can't remember for sure. So I sent her a text from the app saying that I'm using this new app and you should download it. It's a gas app. You get cash back on your gas. And I was really excited about it, but she never downloaded. And the next time I talked to her, she was like, "What is this you're trying to send me?" And she was basically, "You're just trying to make money off me. I'm not downloading that." So I'm like, okay. So the next time I bought gas, because I had sent her a referral, it said, remind Dee Dee. So I'm like, I'm going to send it to her again. I don't care if she told me she's not downloading it. I'm sending it to her because that's my daughter and I could do that. So I sent it to her and she was like, and she told me after she was like, "Let me download this app before I have to hurt my mama." So she downloaded the app and she actually loves it as well because you have to buy gas anyway. So you get cash back after making your purchases for gas. So she as a result of her downloading it, she sent it to her husband and some friends. I think she tried to send it to everybody in her contact list. But even her husband, she sent it to him and he was like, he didn't download it. She had to send him a reminder. So I said all that to say autoresponders will help you with that, because if you got hundreds or tens of potential customers, it'll be tedious for you to keep reminding them one by one. Well, an autoresponder sends those messages out to your customers, all at once. So I will put the link in the description at the bottom of the autoresponders that I use. I use Aweber. Well, really, I use GetResponse, and I have Aweber as well. But those are the two that I'm familiar with. So I'll put the link in the description so you can check them out. I'll also put the link in the description for this gas app, because you really need this app, really. Because if you're buying gas anyway, and the two gas stations that are using them in my area are Shell and BP. So I don't know in your area, which gas stations will be on the app, but you get some cash back for purchasing gas. All you gotta do is put the gas in, upload your receipt, and then they'll send you the cash app within, I don't know, I think like the cash back within like 24 hours. You can cash out it with PayPal. I haven't cashed out yet. So it's not no life-changing type money or anything like that, but I mean, it's something that you can get a little cash back on. You're going to spend the money regardless. So that's my little spiel about that app. So, but basically I've said all of this to say you have to be able to follow up with your customers. So you need that autoresponder if you're going to be selling, if you're going to be making sales online. So with that being said, and also wait. So my son sent me the app. It took me a while to download it. I sent it to my daughter. It took her a while to download it. She sent it to her husband, and he still has not downloaded it. So that autoresponder is needed. So, because if you're having that kind of issue with family, then you're going to have to remind your customers. So that's all I have for today. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a video. So I want to say thank you for spending time with me here, and I will see you on the next video.